How to analyze your page content quality in just few minutes step-by-step guide. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to analyze your page content quality in just a few minutes. Whether you are a blogger, a content creator, or a business owner, understanding the quality of your content is crucial for engaging your audience and improving your SEO. Let's dive in. Step 1. Check readability. First, assess the readability of your content. Use online tools like Hemingway Editor or Grammarly to evaluate the complexity of your text. Aim for a readability score that matches your target audience. Simplify sentences, avoid jargon, and make sure your content is easy to understand. Step 2. Evaluate SEO elements. Next, ensure your page is optimized for search engines. Check if your content includes relevant keywords naturally. Use tools like Yoast SEO for WordPress to analyze keyword density, meta descriptions, and headers. Proper use of keywords will help your page rank higher in search engine results. Step 3. Review structure and layout. A well-structured page keeps readers engaged. Break your content into sections with clear headings and subheadings. Use bullet points, numbered lists, and short paragraphs to make your content skimmable. A good structure enhances readability and keeps your audience interested. Step 4. Check for originality. Plagiarism can harm your credibility and SEO ranking. Use plagiarism checkers like Copyscape or Grammarly to ensure your content is original. Even unintentional similarities with other works can negatively impact your content's performance, so always verify its uniqueness. Step 5. Assess engagement factors. Engaging content keeps readers on your page longer. Evaluate your use of multimedia elements like images, videos, and infographics. Interactive content can significantly boost engagement. Ensure all media are relevant and add value to the text. Step 6. Look at user feedback. User feedback can provide valuable insights into content quality. Pay attention to comments, shares, and likes. Use tools like Google Analytics to monitor bounce rates and average time spent on your page. High engagement metrics often indicate high-quality content. Conclusion. By following these 6 steps, you can quickly assess and improve the quality of your page content. Regularly analyzing and updating your content will help you maintain a high standard, ensuring that your audience remains engaged and your SEO performance improves. Thank you for reading. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on content creation and optimization.